कैसी थी मूवी?
बहुत बहुत अच्छी थी.
एंड राजकुमार राव की एक्टिंग?
His acting is really very good. Yeah, very very
What
very.
about story?
Really nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Any special scene you remember? Which
Yeah,
you
there's
like
a scene where he lights up fire and then he goes crazy like maniac. That scene is very
So
nice.
it's a hit or flop for you?
No, no, it's a hit. Very nice.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
कैसी लगी मूवी राजकुमार राव की?
एक्टिंग में मज़ा आया बट और तो सब ऐसे ही था. स्टोरी हाँ नहीं था, कोई दम नहीं स्टोरी में, दम नहीं
जैसे
है.
उसके पहले शाहिद और सिटी लाइट्स थी वैसे कुछ नहीं?
हाँ, नहीं नहीं हाँ वैसे ही कुछ नहीं थी. नहीं
फ्लॉप
नहीं
या हिट?
फ्लॉप.
कैसी लगी राजकुमार राव की एक्टिंग?
वेरी बिलीवेबल. पहली बार उसको ऐसे रोल में देखा है.
सो स्टोरी का यूएसपी क्या था? एनीथिंग यू रिमेंबर?
Yeah, the best part is I haven't seen a movie like this till now, as in it's not what you usually go to a theatre for. So yeah, that's very good.
Best scene you remember?
Yeah, he starts climbing down the building and that was very very believable.
Okay, so it's a hit or flop for you?
Definitely a hit.
Thank you.
Very nice, very nice. Super.
राजकुमार राव की एक्टिंग लाइक शाहिद, सिटी लाइट्स जैसे उन्होंने एक्टिंग
Yes.
की आज तक.
बहुत
Up
अच्छी.
to the mark?
Yes. I think it's outstanding performance.
Any special scene you remember?
The entire movie was brilliant. It was brilliantly done. It was very nice.
Rajkumar Raw's acting.
Hit, super hit.
Yeah.
So how was the movie?
The movie was really amazing and Rajkumar's acting was brilliant. Like he totally nailed it in the movie.
Any special kind of a scene you remember? Any scene?
Like all of them were amazing after all, but the whole movie all in all is really
The
nice.
story is nice.
Oh, very nice. Yeah.
Okay, it's a hit or a flop for you?
It's a hit for me.
Thank you. Okay, so story कैसी लगी आपको and acting कैसी लगी?
बहुत ही अच्छी स्टोरी है, बहुत अच्छा, मतलब टोटली मैं ये कहूँगा एक बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था.
Any special scene जो बहुत ज़्यादा ही mesmerize किया हो? Like you remember?
ये पूरी फिल्म ही ऐसी है कि मैं पूरे टाइम ना ऐसे देख रहा था. बहुत ही अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस, बहुत ही अच्छी थी राजकुमार की, नो डाउट.
Flop for you? It's a hit or a flop?
इट्स हिट, सुपर हिट है, सुपर हिट. परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छी है.
राजकुमार राव की एक्टिंग कैसी लगी?
बहुत अच्छी लगी राजकुमार राव की एक्टिंग. बहुत ही ज़्यादा कन्विंसिंग है. राजकुमार राव वन ऑफ दोज एक्टर्स है जो अपने नए जनरेशन में, मॉडर्न जनरेशन में आप ऐसे बोलो कि रियलिस्टिक परफॉर्मेंस जिसके लिए वो जाने माने जाते हैं. मेरे को लगता है विद दिस फिल्म ही इज टेकन इट वन नॉच अप एंड द काइंड ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस दैट इज डिलीवर्ड, ऑफ कोर्स विद द डायरेक्शन ऑफ विक्रमादित्य मोटवाने. ओवरऑल आई थिंक दिस फिल्म स्टैंड्स आउट.
Any special scene you remember जो?
See, overall, there are. I mean, I've just walked out of the movie theater, so I'm right now, a little bit too much of it in it. But I think not just one scene to be spoken about, but the instance where, for example, he was a non-veg. I mean, he was a completely pure vegetarian, but in situations of crisis, it's a tragedy which also gives you a certain kind of laughter to it, right? Like he was someone who was like believing into hardcore ki matlab he shouldn't eat non-vegetarian and in conditions of like survival of the fittest, like where the question of a survival game, he just killed a bird and ate it, so those moments or many other, his agony when he's trying to break open the door, the kind of frustration, the way he loses out his voice and etc. I mean, overall, see, I mean, I don't know, like, why do we have to call it hit or a flop? But it's wonderful movie, that's all what matters at the end of the day. So it's really about what the director has put out there on the screen, what the actors have contributed to, and how good is the screenplay.